Hi, I'm Julie, and this is my brother Christian. We're the founders of Mate.
You might remember us from the first Mate campaign, where more than 7,000 of you supported our mission to make the coolest and best possible e-bike ever.
Your trust and support helped us to kickstart a biking revolution all over the world. Today, we're ready to push it even further, and you can be part of it.
After more than a year in development, we're finally ready to introduce the next generation of Mate. Mate X. It's bigger, tougher, more durable, and the most powerful Mate to date. The battery is longer lasting, the tires are wider, and the motor is more powerful. And we did all this without compromising its weight, maneuverability, or design. This Mate is a great excuse to get out of town. And with the new easy shifting gears, you can tackle any obstacles without breaking a sweat. Mate X has bigger, more rounded anti-puncture tires for better grip and better control. This gives you the freedom to go off limits, enjoy the scenery, and make your own fun. High-performance hydraulic disc brakes guarantee you'll always be in control. And in combination with the hydraulic full suspension, riding a Mate has never been smoother, even in the roughest of terrains. Whether you're into adventure, leisure, or just need a bike to get to work, Mate X guarantees a cool, safe, and unique riding experience. Let the bike do the work and cruise at 20 miles per hour for up to 80 miles on a single charge. And thanks to the built-in USB port, running out of juice will never be a problem. Mate X is still foldable, so it's easy to bring it along if you think you'll need it. And Mate X's longer-lasting battery with more volts and more powerful motor gives you acceleration and towing capacity to power your daily adventure. It's been an amazing journey so far, and we're just getting started. With Mate X, we can take it to the next level. Help us put this bike in production. The more we get funded, the better prices and better upgrades we can make to the existing bike.
And I can promise you one thing. We have learned from our first campaign, and we have assembled the best possible team from those experiences to get this bike out and about as fast as possible.
With Mate X, we want everyone to experience the feeling of ultimate freedom and to show the world that biking can be so much more. Join us, and together, let's make it happen.
Does your morning look like this? There is a better way, a compromise-free way, one that is sustainable, powerful, and portable. Think it's too good to be true? Think again. This is the world's lightest electric bike. This is Carbo. It's light, it's smart, it's carbon, it's compact. It's Carbo.
Having been in the e-bike industry for many years, we have tackled most of the problems that users and mechanics have mentioned. E-bikes tend to be bulky, heavy, not to mention the bad weight distribution which compromises your riding experience.
And it's also hard to find after-sales service due to complexity of repairs.
So we have decided to redefine what a folding e-bike should be.
Light, durable, stunning design and functionality. When designing the Carbo, the main challenges were the weight and access to critical electric components. All the components are separate, making it easy to service and upgrade. No special tool required.
Anyone can do it. So we joined forces with the best players in the industry and created a team of manufacturing experts to make Carbo come to life.
Carbon fiber also absorbs vibration, resulting in a more comfortable ride.
Not only is carbon fiber lighter than aluminum, it's also 8 times stronger.
Having the battery in the seat post creates an optimal center of gravity. It's also easily removable for indoor storage or charging.
It's for everyone, everywhere.
How about the ride home? The smart screen can connect to your phone by Bluetooth and guide you to your destination.
Designed to fit into your life, no learning curve required. Carbo is the perfect urban companion.
Not only do we want to see more people on e-bikes, but we would like to share our passion and experience and create the best e-bike tailored to your needs, engineered for your peace of mind.
Carbo is ready to roll,
Fully functional.
ready for production.
All we need is your support to make this
It's a reality.
Hi, I'm Max and I'm a designer. In next 2 minutes I'm gonna invite you to meet Nyrika. Nyrika is a smart e-bike and our vision is to make it affordable for all people around the world. Let's take a look.
This is Nyrika, an electric bicycle, and beautifully the most affordable carbon fiber smart electric bike ever. With 3 model ranges, Street, Street Plus, and Homey, all under $1,000. You can ride Nyrika as a normal bike with the 10-speed Shimano gears, or enjoy the luxury and the real joy of the 500 watts electric hub motor to go further and beyond effortlessly. You can cruise smoothly through your neighborhood at up to 20 miles per hour or 32 kilometers per hour, and with a range of up to 50 miles or 80 kilometers on a single charge. Nyrika makes every journey an exciting experience. Nyrika is a beautifully designed smart e-bike with a very lightweight yet extremely strong monocoque carbon fiber frame and a powerful motor at an affordable price, with unique and recognizable silhouette featuring a cutting-edge technology and packed with mind-blowing options. Nyrika is not a downhill bike, but it doesn't mean we haven't pushed it too hard and break its limits. Introducing Nyrika Heartbeat Assist. When activated, the faster heartbeat you get, the more assist you get from the motor automatically. This mode gives you 3 pedal assist levels based on your heartbeat rate. You can also calibrate the percentage of assist you would like to receive using the Nyrika app.
We have already built several prototypes and been testing them over and over. Now, all we need is your support to start the production and bring the Nyrika to you. Thanks for watching.
Nyrika, the future is here. Let's ride along.
Introducing Strøm City. An affordable and feature-packed e-bike designed for one thing and one thing only: transporting you from A to B with ease. We're the founders of Strøm Bikes, from the biking capital of the world, Denmark.
Our mission is to make inner-city commuting more sustainable and convenient.
Strøm City is your new weapon against traffic. It hides a world of power inside its sleek design, allowing you to easily conquer city streets. Arrive at your destination with peace of mind and a smile on your face. Strøm City is the most flexible transportation choice. The 6-level pedal assist lets you tailor the ride to fit your mood in any situation. Strøm City gives you the freedom to explore city life from a whole new perspective. life is a beautiful ride. Let Strøm take you on new adventures. Thanks to supporters from all over the world, we crowdfunded close to $500,000 on our last campaign. We delivered e-bikes to over 30 countries. And due to high demand for a city bike, we're now back with the most feature-packed and affordable e-bike ever. Back our project today and be the first to get your hands on the new Strøm City e-bike.